guys, my name is James from gigapress.net. In this video, you'll learn how to fix an error you might encounter on your WordPress site, the Uncaught ValueError unknown format specifier error. So what exactly is this error? This error often shows up when there's an issue, a typo, or a formatting mistake in the PHP code on your website. This could be within a plugin, theme, or even custom code you've added. But don't worry, you don't need to be a developer or understand the technical details to fix this error. This error often ties back to outdated plugins or themes that aren't optimized for the latest PHP versions. Let's say, for example, you're using a plugin that hasn't received an update for years. The plugin might still work, but you're likely to run into a lot of compatibility issues because of the following reasons. First, the plugin was not designed to work with newer versions of WordPress. Second, other plugins and themes might not work well alongside outdated software. Lastly, if it uses PHP, it wasn't optimized with newer versions, from 8.1 to the latest 8.3. So here are two effective ways to help resolve it. One potential fix for this error is to revert to an older version of PHP. We generally don't recommend this approach because newer PHP versions offer significant performance and security improvements. So why consider it? Well, some plugin or theme developers might suggest switching to an older PHP version if their product triggers this error. Certain WordPress web hosts will allow you to choose your PHP version, making this possible. However, using an older PHP version isn't ideal for long-term site health. It's often better to seek alternatives to the problematic plugin or theme unless it's critical to your site's functionality. A better long-term approach is to contact the developers of the plugin or theme causing the error to see if they can provide an update for newer versions of PHP. Most developers offer support channels where you can report issues like this error. Provide them with the full error message, including the affected code lines, and details about your WordPress and PHP versions. Understand that resolving the issue through this method may take time. You'll probably have to wait a while for a response, and then for an update. In the meantime, consider disabling the plugin or theme that is causing the error. So, in this case, if you need the site up immediately, it is best to roll back to an older PHP version, as well as reach out to the developers of the plugin or theme causing the issue to see if they can fix it on a newer PHP version. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.